Hey everyone! If you are a creator, designer, or business owner, you've probably heard of Unsplash. It is widely known as a massive library of free images. But if you're planning to use Unsplash to get images for commercial use in 2026, there are a few highly critical things you need to know before you start downloading, including some major roadblocks you might run into. In this quick tutorial, we're going to look at how to safely use the platform, what happened when we tried to analyze their system, and how to protect your business. Transition screen, the roadblock. First, let's talk about a major technical detail. If you are a developer or a creator trying to use automated tools, scrapers, or third-party apps to pull images from Unsplash, you need to be very careful. During our technical preparation for this video, our research tools actually hit a hard security wall. We were met with an access denied error code, showing that the site is heavily protected by a security system called BotStopper by Takero. What does this mean for you? It means Unsplash is highly protective of its platform and bandwidth. If you want to use their images, you should always access their website directly as a human user through your standard web browser, rather than relying on third-party scrapers or unverified plugins that might get blocked. Transition screen, commercial use and reviews. Now, what about the actual license and user reviews? To be completely transparent with you, we checked our verified databases for the latest user reviews and compiled feedback on Unsplash's commercial terms for this year, but we currently have no configured review sources or official user data available in our system. Because we don't believe in making up fake reviews or inventing opinions, we want to encourage you to do a quick manual check. When you go directly to unsplash.com, make sure to click on their official license page. Historically, Unsplash has allowed images to be used for both commercial and non-commercial purposes without permission or attribution. However, because platforms can update their terms at any time, and because automated tools can't always scrape the latest updates due to those security blocks we mentioned, always read the fine print yourself before using an image in a paid advertising campaign, product packaging, or client project. Transition screen, best practices. To safely use Unsplash for commercial work today, follow these 3 simple steps. Step 1. Always visit the official website directly at unsplash.com to avoid security blocks. Step 2. Search for your image and verify if there are any specific restrictions on the individual photo page. And Step 3. Avoid using images that prominently feature trademarked logos, private property, or recognizable people without a model release, as the standard license might not fully protect you from third-party privacy claims. Outro. Have you run into any security blocks or licensing issues on Unsplash recently? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this honest breakdown helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe for more straightforward tutorials, and head over to unsplash.com to check out their current library. See you in the next video.